Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Excel learning. Today we are going to learn 5 Excel formulas by answering these 5 basic questions that are related to our sample dataset. If you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified on every single new episode. With that said, let's jump into our sample dataset, which basically has the details of students who appeared for 6 subjects and got the result. And down you see 5 basic questions, and we are going to answer all those questions with the help of 5 different Excel formulas. So the first one is, how many students are there? So we are going to answer this question with the help of count formula. This formula counts all the cells which has values. So let's put count formula and get the result is equal to count, open bracket, take a range of roll number from B2 to B9 because they are unique and will not repeat, close bracket, enter. Answer is here. So totally there are 8 students who appeared for the examination. Second question, how many attended for subject 1? We are going to answer this question with the help of COUNTA formula. This basically calculates the total number of cells which have values and are not blanks. Let's put the formula is equal to COUNTA, open bracket, select the range, close bracket, enter. Here is the result. So 7 people appeared for subject 1. So the formula is ignoring the blank cell which is in D7. The next question is, how many did not attend for subject 1? Basically we are trying to get the number of cells where we don't have value. We are going to use count blank formula to get the result is equal to count blank, open bracket, select the range, close bracket, enter. So there is one cell in the given range which is blank, which means that one person did not appear for subject 1. So the next 2 questions are related to conditional count, which means I want a formula that counts a number only when certain criteria or criterias are fulfilled. So let us look at next question. So how many students passed the class? Now we want the count of all those students who has passed, which means whose result is showing as passed in column J. So we are going to use COUNTIF formula to get that. Let's put the formula is equal to COUNTIF, open bracket, select the range, criteria should be pass. Since it is text, I am putting it in inverted commas. The answer is 4. Out of 8 students, 4 students passed the class. Now the next question, out of total passed students, how many are female? To answer this, we are going to use COUNTIFS function, which allows us to put multiple criterias is equal to COUNTIFS, open bracket. You can put as many conditions or criterias as you want. Now let's select our first condition, which is in this criteria pass, and in this criteria which is gender, I want it to be female. Enter. We have the result. Out of 4 passed students, only 1 student's gender is female. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like the content of the video, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning.